Okay, today we're installing the surface mounting bracket for close ceiling or smooth surface ceiling surfaces. The hooks go onto the LED high bay, and you have this secondary ceiling bracket that will be mounted to the ceiling, and the hooks hook onto the ceiling mounting bracket. So the fully assembled unit will have your LED engines out the bottom and then your housing screws. These are what you'll want to use to disassemble the housing to use any other mounting method that we offer. Here are your hinge screws. These are only used to hinge the housing open, so you'll need to just unscrew them slightly, but not all the way. You want to set these screws aside. These are what you'll use to reassemble the housing. Here are your hinge screws again. You only undo them slightly. So by the time we're done, we'll have 6 screws completely out from the housing, and the housing should be able to hinge open. You may have to give it a little nudge. Here you'll see your 30 watt or 50 watt LED light module. These are actually replaceable. Here are all your waterproof connectors that connect to your driver connecting to a waterproof box that connects to your high voltage line. So now we're going to remove the eyelet that is included when you purchase one of these. So to remove the eyelet, you want to undo the set screw, unscrew the eyelet, and then unscrew the 4 mounting screws for the bracket. The bracket will fall into the housing, but we can just pull that out. We have uninstalled the eyelet hook that's included with the MD series LED high bay. Now we will install the surface mounting kit using the upper part of the housing. This bracket will come through the top of the housing to create a hook for the surface mount kit. This is the surface mounting kit for the MD series LED high bay lights. Okay, this kit would be used for smooth surface ceiling installations. Here are the 2 bracket hooks that mount to the housing of the high bay. This is the bracket that will mount to the smooth surface ceiling. So again, this is the bracket that mounts to the smooth surface ceiling. This is what will be on the LED high bay. These will be coming into the bracket and hooking onto the ceiling bracket to mount LED high bay. The screws will mount the surface mounting kit hooks to the top of the LED high bay housing. And there are 2 screws per hook. Now we're going to reinstall the screws that were on the housing that's included with the LED high bay. We have to push up on the surface plate to align the screw holes. You'll have to push up on all 4 sides. These are threaded inserts for the screws. Okay, for this accessory, the surface mounting bracket kit, for the hooks that go to the top of the LED high bay, it's instead of installing with the high bay unit open, you can install it with it closed by sliding the hook through the units and lining up the 2 mounting lines. You want to make sure that these are very tight. These are what will be holding your LED high bay up to the ceiling. The mounting hooks are installed. They'll hook onto the surface mounting kit to the ceiling like so. This is the surface mounted ceiling bracket that would be mounted using anchors or bolts that would be recommended for the surface that you're mounting to.